Uni5 Gut Health Course. It's a pill of Panchabhutas to unlock lasting wellness. A holistic program combining ancient wisdom with modern science to address gut health issues and promote overall wellness. Offers personalized guidance on diet and lifestyle, yoga and pranayam techniques, and ongoing support till you achieve your lasting, vibrant health. Topics covered are introducing 5 element pattern, role of mind, diet and lifestyle, microbiome and fermented foods, Ayurvedic approach, dealing with various digestive disorders, and yoga and pranayam techniques for gut health. The course fees is $50 or 2,500 rupees. New batches starting from this 14th December, and the batches are happening on weekends, Saturday and Sunday at 6:30 a.m. EST or 8 p.m. IST. It's a live Zoom classes and video recordings also will be provided. Please make the payment through GPay to this number 97890688877 and share your name and address and the screenshot of your payment for our record purpose. There are various reviews and testimonials who say the question and answer session at the end of each lesson was very helpful at clarifying my doubts by Sri Lata, California. And the other one says Neelima's course on gut health greatly helped to manage my Crohn's disease by reducing my calprotectin levels. It truly improved my overall health. So please join the Uni5 Gut Health course and unlock the secret to lasting wellness. Thank you.